Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix audio not working on Messenger. Now first, what you need to check is your app permission. So just ensure that Messenger has permission to access your microphone and speakers. On Android, head to Settings, Apps, Messenger, and then Permissions, and enable microphone and camera. On iOS, head to Settings, Messenger, and toggle on microphone and camera. Next, you can also try updating the app, so just make sure you are using the latest version of Messenger. Open the Google Play Store on Android or App Store on iOS, then search for Messenger and update if necessary. Next, you can also do a restart on your device, so sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches such as your audio not working. Next, you can also check your audio settings, so just ensure your device's volume is turned up and not muted. In Messenger, head to Settings, Notification and Sounds, and make sure the sound settings are correctly configured. You can also try reinstalling Messenger, so just uninstall the Messenger app and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store or App Store. And you can also try clearing cache when using an Android. Head to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, and tap on Clear Cache. Finally, you can check for system updates, so just ensure your device's operating system is always up to date. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.